Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G. Okay, so what we will need is next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, and there's another box in that box. So just use the notch here to remove it, and on the other side of the box you will find the SIM ejection tool. So just remove it to the top, and yeah, otherwise you could use also, of course, the good old paper clip. Okay, before we start, we should close the phone, so flip it together. And if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay. If you have now your SIM tray, turn it now to the other side, and we need the side where it's written top here at the top. Okay, now take your SIM card and enter it like this, and missing corner on missing corner, and the contacts are below. Okay. So now turn your phone to the other side like this, and now you can insert the SIM tray again like this. Close it well because the phone is waterproof, as you know, and that's it. So this has been the version with the physical SIM card. You can add, if you want, also an eSIM. So ask your provider for an eSIM profile, and you can use two SIM cards. So one physical SIM card, like we have entered, and one virtual SIM card. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for watching this video, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.